Hello everybody, my name is Hadi and in this video I'm gonna talk about rule of divisions. What is the rules of divisions? For example, we want to know if a number is divisible by 2 or not without dividing, or a number is divisible by 9 or not. These are the rules of division. I'm gonna start with the division by 2. Rule of division by 2. Any number who end up to 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Any number ended to 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 is divisible by 2, or in other words, all the even number, any number ended to 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, we call them even number. All even numbers are divisible by 2. As an example, 24, because it's ended to 4, is even number and is divisible by 2. If we divide this number by 2, the remainder gonna be 0. Or 7,258, because it's even number, is ended to 8, is divisible by 2. The other rule is rule of division by 3. Rule of division by 3. How we can say a number is divisible by 3 or not? As an example, 101. Is it divisible by 3 or not? If we divide 101 by 3, does the remainder gonna be 0 or no? Or not? Rule of division by 3. If we add the digits of a number and the result goes to 3, that number is divisible by 3. Or sum of digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of digits of the number should be divisible by 3. As an example, 101. If we add the digits of this number, 1 plus 0 plus 1, 1 plus 0 plus 1 is going to be 2. 2 is not divisible by 3, so this number, 101, is not divisible by 3. Or 2004. If we add the digits of the number, 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 is going to be 6, right? 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 is going to be 6. Because 6 is divisible by 3, 2004 is divisible by 3. If we divide 2004 by 3, the remainder is going to be 0. Or 102. 1 plus 0 plus 2 is going to be 3. So 102 is divisible by 3. The other rule is rule of division by by 4. How we can say a number is divisible by 4 or not? As an example, 2024. Is this number divisible by 4 or not? The rule of division by 4. The last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. The last 2 digits should be divisible by 4 or ended to 0. Ended to 20. If the number ended to 2 zeros or the last 2 digits is divisible by 4, that number is divisible by 4. As an example, 2024. Because 24, the last 2 digits, is divisible by 4, this number is divisible by 4. Or 97,200. Because it's ended to 2 zeros, this number is divisible by 4. So rule of division by 4, if the last two digits be divisible by 4, or the number ended to 2 zeros, then the number is divisible by 4. The other rule is division by 5. How we can say a number is divisible by 5 or not? Any number ended to 0 or 5. Any number ended to 0 or 5 is divisible by 5. As an example, 175. Because the last digit is 5, this number is divisible by 5. Or 1005. Because it's divisible ended to 5, this number is divisible by 5. Or 70. Because it's ended to 0, this number is divisible by 5. Okay, the three rules. Rule number 1, division by 2, division by 3, and division by 5. These three rules is very mandatory. We know when we are dealing with common denominator or lowest common denominator or lowest common multiple or factoring or this type of thing. Division by 2, division by 3, and division by 5, we have to know these rules. The other rules is useful to know. As an example, division by 4, or the other one, rule of division by 6. Any number ended to 2 and be divisible by 3. 1 and 2, because 2 times 3 is 6. If any number ended to 2, or we can say any even number divisible by 3 is going to be divisible by 6. Any even number divisible by 3 is going to be divisible by 6. As an example, 72. Yeah, 72. Because it's even number and 2 plus 7 is 9, so it's divisible by 3. 72 is divisible by 6. 72 divided by 6 is going to be 12. Okay, so rule of division by 6, any even number divisible by 3 is going to be division by 6. The other rule of division by 9. Sum of digits is same as division by 3, but sum of digits should be divisible by 9 instead of 3. Sum of digits should be divisible by 9. Okay, sum of digits of the number should be divisible by 9. As an example, 7,272. This number, because if we add the digits of this number, 7 plus 2 is 9, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 and plus 9 is 18, 18 is divisible by 9, so this number 7,272 is divisible by 9. Or 8,000, let me write it, 8,001, this number, 8,001, because 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 9, and 9 divisible by 9, so this number 8001 is divisible by 9. So these are very useful rules to know, to figure out a number is divisible with which of these numbers, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 9. If we know these rules, without dividing a number, we can recognize the remainder. If we divide, the remainder gonna be 0 or not. Okay, I hope this video will be useful for you. See you in the next videos.